Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing for you of the Apple iPhone SE 2020. This one is the 64GB in the colour white, so it's always black on the front and then white on the back. The box just has your standard Apple symbols and the iPhone. Then on the back it'll just say what's included. So the Apple iPhone SE, earpods with lightning connector and lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. So yeah, that's literally just the box. Now, instead of having to knife all around the edges, Apple just include a really handy pull tab. So all you need to do is pull that and it should come off. Some nice ASMR for you there. Right, okay. Yeah, so let's just lift the lid off the box. So on the top we are presented with designed by Apple in California as usual. So in here you just have the standard setup guide which shows you the sort of buttons around the device and what they do. You've also got your SIM eject tool, which is just a little pin, and you also get the Apple stickers in there as well and your warranty information. So now for the actual handset. So this iPhone SE 2020 is literally the body of an Apple iPhone 8. It's got the same A13 Bionic chip as the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro. So basically it's an older device design-wise with new specs and internals, which means it's going to be supported for quite a few years to come, which is really good for people that don't want to spend a lot of money on their iPhone, for someone that's just happy that it does all the things that a normal iPhone should do. I never thought I would be unboxing or reviewing this. I just bought it for my gran because she's got a 2015 Motorola phone. I thought I'd be a good grandson and get her a brand new phone, so this is literally why I'm unboxing this today. So all 2020 iPhone SEs do come with the black front, no matter if you get the white, the red or the black colour. So they're all going to be black on the front, so let's just take this out and have a look. Now it does look really nice and classy. I went for the white colour, so it's silver around the edges and then white on the back, so let's have a look at the back. It does look really nice, to be honest. So I'm not going to take the plastic off just because this is a present. I'm just going to have a little look around the sort of device. It does look really nice. So the nice contrast of the white front of the handset and then the silver edges. You've got your lightning down there and you've got your volume rocker there to turn it on silent, off silent. Now, before we get some comments saying this is fake because it's got the regulations on the bottom, so by law in the UK we do still have to have these sort of symbols at the bottom, but it's a really nice clean design. You've just got the Apple logo, the camera and the flash, and that is literally it. So looking further into the contents of the box, we've just got the wall adapter, which is the 3-pin because we're in the UK, so you get that. You also get the wired earpods, which are to lightning, so just some earphones in the box as well. And then of course you get the standard lightning to USB charging cable. This one does just come with the regular charger, so it isn't a fast charger in the box. However, it is capable to do fast charging if you did want to buy the adapter separately. Just for a comparison of size, I mean, many people will know exactly the size of this. It's the more or less same dimensions as the iPhone 6, 6S, 7 and 8. However, just to give you a bit of a comparison, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so you can see it's quite a lot smaller to this big one. As I said, this isn't targeted towards pro users. It's sort of teenagers, older people, anyone that's getting the first iPhone and just wants a nice, cheaper way to get into the Apple ecosystem. So yeah, literally, that's why I've bought this for my gran, because it's going to be nice and easy for her to use. As I said, she's got a 2015 Motorola, so it's going to be a big upgrade for her. And yeah, that is literally everything for this video. If you do have any other questions, feel free to pop them in the comments box below. It was just a little look at the handset really. So if you did enjoy the video, just give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.